Ba chủ điểm su bong.
Hello,
Ba.
teacher.
So hello Lisa.
Hello, teacher.
So today I have time to meet with Lisa. According to their family, because Lisa she's a good student and she try very hard. And but their family, we can call it, cannot afford to apply Lisa after finish her high school to continue in a university. So I just would like to ask her some question. Lisa, can you tell me about your family a little bit?
Yes, my family is poor and they can't afford for my continue study on university. And in my family, I have 5 people, and my family, uh, sorry, wait, uh, and my family uh, have a lot of child, so they can't afford for my continue studies.
So can you tell me when is your final exam of the high school?
Uh, when I I finish of my exam on 10 August 2026, I want to be to study continue on university.
Okay, so where will you go to study?
I want to go to study at Phnom Penh City.
Okay, you're going to study in Phnom Penh. So I would like to tell you a good news that DHS Cambodia will support your study in a university. So how do you feel when you hear that?
Uh, I'm very happy. I'm very happy when I know about this idea.
Okay, so can you tell me anything that you know about New Hope, and when you heard that DHI Cambodia support you, what is your feeling?
I'm so very happy because uh, when DHF Cambodia support uh, me, I'm very happy because I can going to study on university in the future for my dream.
Okay, so what is your subject and what is your dream when you want to study in a university?
In the future, my subject I want to study on university is technology information.
Technology information, I mean that IT.
Yes,
What subject of the IT?
IT is the subject.
Like a design, or network, or app, or something like that.
Design.
Design, okay. So you are going to study in the subject of design,
Yes.
and then you're going to be a designer.
Yes.
So what is your commitment of study in the university? So are you going to finish your university until you get a certificate or something else?
Uh, I commit. I study hard of the subject of my ability, and I commit. I promise. I study to be a good student, a good child, and a good human for my society
Okay.
and for my future, for my family, and for the people around me.
Okay. So uh, according to this, so are you going to help your family and society here and help the other student to be like you or not?
Yes,
Okay.
I will to be my family to help my society to uh, develop, and uh, I I will have my new generation student like me.
Okay, thank you very much. So, do you have anything to say to DHI Cambodia and New Hope School? Would you like something to tell them in the end?
So now thank you if I got scholarship, and thank you for teacher support of teachers New Hope School, and thank you DHF for support me. And I want to tell you, I want to tell you, if I get the scholarship, I commit to study hard, and I promise I want to be a good student, a good child, and a good people. And I so very happy and thank you very much for
Okay,
this.
so this is what Lisa said. So this is how that I come here and meet her and her family. So Risa is a good student, and she study from her young age, from the little one. So right now she going to finish her high school soon in August. And then thank you DHI Cambodia for your heart of love to support her family. And then we will give you more update about what going on of her, and then try to help her all of the best to finish her study, and she would be become a good child and a good student and a good humanity to help our community. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you.
អាចចិត្តខ្លាំងលោកគ្រូដែលបានដឹងថាកូនបានអាហារូបករណ៍
I'm so very happy when my child get scholarship.
ខ្ញុំបដិញ្ញាចិត្តថាខ្ញុំអត់អីដល់ខំឲ្យកូនរៀនឲ្យបានចប់
Promise I will to my child to study in university. If I don't have money for my child to study.
មានអារម្មណ៍រំភើបសប្បាយរីករាយតែកូនបានទទួលអាហារូបករណ៍
I'm very excited when my child gets scholarship.
បញ្ញាចិត្តថាសន្យាឲ្យកូនរៀនទល់ចប់
I commit I will for my child to study on university of 4 years.
សប្តាហ៍នេះខ្ញុំអត់មានសមត្ថភាពជុំបញ្ជូនកូនទៅរៀនតទេព្រោះខ្ញុំខ្វះជីវភាព
I don't afford for my child to study on university in the future because my family is poor and don't have money to my child to continue our child study.